Listening and practice. Wedding anniversary speech for wife by husband. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed family and friends, today marks a momentous occasion in our journey together, a day of celebration, reflection, and gratitude. It's with immense joy and heartfelt emotion that I stand before you to honor and express my love for the extraordinary woman who has been my rock, my partner, and the love of my life, my beautiful wife. As I look back on the years we've shared, I am filled with an overwhelming sense of gratitude for every moment we've cherished together. From the day we exchanged our vows, promising to stand by each other's side through all of life's challenges and triumphs, to this very moment, every step of our journey has been an adventure worth treasuring. To my dearest wife, words cannot capture the depth of my appreciation for your unwavering support, your boundless compassion, and your unwavering love. You have been the driving force behind my successes and the source of comfort during my failures. Your patience and understanding have been my guiding light through the darkest times, and your laughter has brought endless joy to even the simplest of moments. As we celebrate this anniversary, I am reminded of the promises we made to each other. I want you to know that I continue to hold those promises close to my heart. I promise to stand by you, to lift you up in times of need, and to be your partner in all of life's adventures. I promise to nurture our love and keep the flame burning, even when the winds of change try to extinguish it. And most importantly, I promise to continue growing alongside you, learning from our experiences, and building a future filled with love, understanding, and shared dreams. Through the highs and lows, through the laughter and tears, our bond has only grown stronger. With each passing year, I am reminded of the incredible woman you are, your resilience, your kindness, and your ability to light up any room with your presence. You have taught me the true meaning of love, and I am grateful beyond words for the privilege of being your husband. So, as we raise our glasses in celebration today, let us toast to the countless memories we've created, the challenges we've overcome, and the love that continues to flourish between us. Here's to you, my love, my partner, and my best friend. May our journey together be as extraordinary as the love that brought us here today. Happy anniversary, my dear wife. Thank you for being the heart and soul of our family, and for making every day brighter with your love. To us, and to a future filled with endless love and happiness. Cheers.